Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the file itself. Inspect extension and codec because TVs reject unsupported codecs more often than containers. Once done, check your TV manual or settings to see supported formats and maximum file sizes. Prepare a USB drive formatted to the TV's preferred system, or ensure your NAS or DLNA server is reachable. Make sure firmware is up to date. Manufacturers add new codec support in updates. This saves time and prevents wasted conversions later. You now decide. Remux if the codec is already supported because it only changes the container and keeps quality intact. If the codec is unsupported, convert the video to H, 264 or H, 265 and audio to AAC. These are broadly compatible. When converting, set resolution and bitrate to your TV's native specs to avoid playback stutter. Use FFmpeg for control or handbrake for a GUI. Monitor logs for errors, and once complete, test a short clip before transferring the whole file. You finish by transferring the corrected file to the TV via USB, network share, or streaming server. Place it where the TV expects media and safely eject the drive to prevent corruption. Play the file and verify audio sync, subtitles, and resolution. Make sure the TV actually has hardware support for 4K or HDR. If playback fails, try clearing the TV's media cache, use a different USB port, or re-encode with a lower bitrate. This troubleshooting tip often resolves remaining compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.